Okay, folks, here we are looking at the desktop from Linux Lite 3.0, which I put on back onto the Asus. I actually installed all the updates for once. I've changed the stock wallpaper, which is super easy to do. Go to desktop settings, kind of like Windows. You can pick a picture wherever, do whatever you want. We're not going to change that because I like it. Got your Google Chrome on here, which I installed. Uh, it comes stock with Firefox. You look down here in your menu under Internet, you got Firefox web browser, your settings. Now, I set Chrome, or Chromium as it's called in Linux, as a default browser, and then I change the startup icons down here. You got your programs. Let's say we wanted to open the GIMP. Well, we'll go ahead and open the GIMP, which is a graphics image manipulation program. Be aware, everything that's running on here is running in a virtual machine, so it's going to be a little slower. I've got 1.9 gig available, but if you were to install some old piece of hardware um, as the only operating system and not the VM, although I suggest downloading VMware and trying it out first, making sure it all works for you. It does one heck of a job. You got all your tools here, and I could open a file. Let's say we're going to pick up one of the wallpaper files and open it. And let's say I just wanted to resize it. Click on the image. We're going to scale it. We're going to make it, let's just make it 800 by whatever. 800 by 500. Uh, it's tied up there. If you wanted to change that to maybe making it 800 by 300, whatever, you could. We're going to hit scale. And there you go. It's scaled. Just like that. And I can move this, let's say. We're going to move that. Right there. Now that is in this workspace. I can go to another workspace. I could have 4 or 5 workspaces if I wanted. So you can keep your stuff apart, as it were. And your taskbar obviously changes. We're going to close that out. It's going to warn us, and we'll just discard those changes. Pretty much anything you want, multimedia-wise, you can record your desktop. That's something you have to add on, which I did. You can volume your video. You can burn CDs. As far as Office goes, you can create. This is LibreOffice. You can open it up and record new documents, or create does PowerPoint, does spreadsheets. It's got a PDF viewer. Pretty much anything you can do in Windows, you can do in Linux. So give Linux Lite 3.0 a try. Got an old machine, it's worth it. If you got something on an XP that you just can't get upgraded to, say 7, because Vista is no longer supported, this is what you want. And that's all for today.